The best way to speed up Windows 10 startup. Windows 10 startup can be sped up by following a few simple steps. By following these steps, you can improve your Windows 10 startup experience and speed up the process overall. One of the more impressive aspects of Windows 10 is its startup speed. In fact, some users report that it can start up much faster than previous versions of the OS. How do I speed up Windows 10 startup? There are a few ways to speed up Windows 10 startup. One way is to use the Startup Settings page in the control panel. You can change how quickly the computer starts up, and you can also set a time limit for when the computer must start up. How do I speed up my PC? There are a few ways to speed up your computer. One way is to use a virus scanner to scan your computer for viruses and then remove them. Another way is to optimize your computer by deleting unnecessary files and programs. Finally, you can try using a computer optimization software to improve the performance of your computer. How do I speed up my PC on a Mac? There are a few ways to speed up your PC on a Mac. One way is to use a computer with an operating system that is designed specifically for Macs, such as OS X Yosemite or Mavericks. Another way is to use a low-power graphics card and processor, which can make your PC run faster.